Did you know that opening King Tut's tomb might have unleashed a 3,000-year-old biological weapon? In 1922, Howard Carter finally broke into the intact burial chamber after years of digging into Egypt's Valley of the Kings. But this discovery came with a deadly price. Lord Carnarvon, Carter's wealthy backer, died just months later from an infected mosquito bite. Witnesses swore all the lights in Cairo went out at the exact moment he passed away. Then the deaths kept coming. Arthur Mace, Carter's assistant, died from arsenic poisoning. American financier George J. Gould visited the tomb and died of fever shortly after. 3 more expedition members died within 7 years under bizarre circumstances. The media went wild. Newspapers screamed about ancient Egyptian curses. People believed the pharaoh's spirit was taking revenge. But science revealed the real killer. The sealed tomb contained deadly mold spores that had been trapped for 3 millennia. What seemed like supernatural revenge was actually ancient biological warfare, making King Tut's curse terrifyingly real in the most unexpected way.